All right, fifth graders, so you're about to set up your design for your Hawaiian Kapa cloth. So you had this little packet that I put together that is for your first assignment that we're working on. What you're gonna do is go ahead and unroll that paper. You want to have that piece of tape handy too, because you could reuse that or just get some new tape. You need to find the middle of this paper because we need our circles that we're gonna set up to have a center point. So I'm gonna take it, and if I just sort of fold it in half, I don't really have to even put a crease all the way through it. I'm just going to push down there, so that kind of tells me that part's the middle. Okay, so I can see that right there. If you need to, just make a little pencil mark with it. I don't want this to scoot around on me while I'm trying to work on this. I'm going to take that piece of tape and I'm going to tape it at diagonal corners, pull it tight so it's not going to slide around on you while you're working on it. All right, you also have some paper clips that were in that packet, so you want to loop those together to make a chain. Now, since you have different size ones, it's kind of hard to say how many you're going to use, but what you're going to do ultimately is you want to form a chain that goes from that center point that you marked to as close to the edge of the paper as you can get, but you do not want it to go off the edge of the paper. So it looks like if I put these three big paper clips together, that's going to get me close. And then I have room for one more of the small paper clips. Do I have room for another small paper clip? Let's see. So if I put this here, it looks like, yeah, I can get that pretty long if I loop that in there. So you want to make sure that when you're making this chain, that you're hooking them end to end, so it's not going to slip while you're putting it together. So the loops here, some of them want to hook together, but you want to make sure that you're actually hooking them end to end. So you're going to get that set up. You're also going to need two pencils. Okay, one's going to actually hold the paperclip chain for you. The other one you're going to actually be drawing with. So get this set up, get this ready, and then you'll go on to the next video.